You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. There are different pronunciations in English, so let's go through. It's usually pronounced as Petrarchan, Petrarchan. Now, the first syllable can be pronounced with different ways. So P, as you've heard, a short E sound. Also P, Petrarchan, or Pe, Petrarchan. Now, that's usually Kun at the end with a schwa sound. Now, some may pronounce it also as Petrarchan, which is also accepted as a pronunciation, Petrarchan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.